Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Today I found a website that does this. For years, people have asked how to do this, and I have no clue. Now, I just started like 5 minutes ago. I contacted the people, and they gave me some free credits. But this thing is basically free. I think it's $15 one-time payment, no subscription. For 150 times you could do this. That's quite a bit. First dog I did, not perfect. They added a leg, but I guess it's AI is generating this picture off this picture, and most dogs wouldn't be waving their. So I just did his head. Once again, not perfect, but that's a lot better than I could do or possibly you could do to do this. So I thought, I'm going to change subject. I'm going to go and take a bridge. Now, you need to have a high resolution picture. That's one thing I've found so far. I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to export this picture, and I'm going to call it Bridge. And JPEG bitmap export. High resolution, 100%. Say okay. I'm going to go into the program. I'm going to add, and I'm going to put a link to this portrait art at the bottom of the screen, at the bottom of my video, so you can go check it out. And I'm going to go bridge. Now it's not maybe not perfect yet, but I just started using it 10, 15 minutes ago. Now, I don't know what all these do. I know watercoloring and line art, but I'm going to go coloring page. And you can have it run all the styles, evidently, to see what it looked like. And I guess it would put them across the page. So it's taking a little bit more time than the dog did. And this is basically free. Look at that. Now, I'm going to learn more, but I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to copy the image. And I'm going to go back to Corel. I'm going to use the same page so we can compare it. And I'm going to paste it. Now, it pastes it huge. I'm going to reduce it. Now, and I'm not downing the software yet. Well, I probably won't. I think this is so cool. But it has, for a laser engraving, this is going to have white. Now, most whites don't engrave, but we could trace this really good, I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to grab this. I'm going to actually make it a little bit smaller. And I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace Clip Art. It's going to take a little bit of time because it's having to do a lot of work. I mean, it's at 16%. Anyway, I will put a link to this software at the bottom of the page, and you can test it out. Now the photos will have watermarks on them until you. I mean, I've never seen anything that was only $15. And then if you like it, then you could use those all up, and it's taking a little bit longer than I thought. But this isn't the software. This is Corel doing this, because I've got to get rid of the white, or it would probably engrave, and I might even test it. And then I'm going to go right here to remove from entire image. And look at that. Now it's got some gray matter in there. But now we can take away the background. And I'm pretty sure you could take all of it and right click and have all of it black, doing great. That's some pretty clear lines. And it's, you know, okay, this is AI generated because there's no little window up here. So it added a window, but you could take that out if you wanted to, if this was your house, or if you just needed a old style bridge, a wooden bridge. That's pretty incredible, much like the dog. So I've got a busy week coming up, but I'm going to do more of these and take some personal pictures that I've taken that I know are high resolution and see what we can do with them. Anyway, I'll leave a link to the software at the bottom of the video. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.